We're going to take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1s that you can buy right now that is undervalued, reselling at about $200. And this sneaker, I'm going to tell you guys right now, is guaranteed to skyrocket in price. We have a free Union 4 giveaway going on. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in Union 4s. I'm going to pick the winner from one of my YouTube videos that released here in October at the end of October. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. Get this video up to 500 likes, and after the Union 4 giveaway is over, I'm going to announce a brand new sneaker giveaway for the month of November. Sole Premise makes high quality sneaker bags for sneakerheads when you travel. Let me show you guys this premium high quality Sole Premise bag. This is the duffel bag that holds a bunch of sneakers. As you guys can see, on one side I have my Nike Dunk Lows, and on the other side I have the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1s inside of the bag on the sides. Now on top of the bag, as you guys can see, I have plenty of space for clothes, sneakers, my laptop, whatever I want to fit inside of this duffel bag. Sole Premise makes duffel bags, backpacks, all types of bags for sneakerheads when you travel. Their bags are very high quality, great selection of colors, and very affordable. The link is down below in the description. Make sure you guys click my link and use my discount code Danny Moore to save yourself 40% off your order from SolePremise.com. I love my Sole Premise bags, man. They're the only way I travel. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Use my discount code. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. I'm a very happy man right now. We got some sneakers from the Nike Sneakers app. We hit on a Nike Sneakers app restock that happened last week. We were getting a restock of some random Jordans. This is one of them that restocked that is guaranteed to skyrocket in price. This Jordan 1 is undervalued, straightforward, to the point, undervalued. Let's get into this unboxing. Very undervalued. These are going up. These are very underrated. I feel like a lot of people are just sleeping on this sneaker for some reason. I'm not sure why, because I'm gonna get into why this sneaker is gonna go up, man. It's very simple. I'm not sure what people are thinking sleeping on this sneaker. This is a dope investment. If you have money to invest, this is your Jordan 1 you want to go cop for about 200 bucks. Retail is 170. You add tax, add shipping, you're at about 200. They're going for about $200, guys. In my personal size 11 from Nike, the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. These are guaranteed to skyrocket in price. They're undervalued. They're reselling for about $200. Why are these going to go up? The colorway, the orange, is going to make this pop. If you guys remember the Shattered Backboard 3.0 Air Jordan 1s, those were reselling for about $200, $210 when those released. People hated them. They slept on them. Remember? Go take a look at Shattered Backboard 3.0s now. They're at least $350 in every size. Some sizes $450, even $500. Those were guaranteed to skyrocket. These are guaranteed to skyrocket. $200? No way. No way are these not gonna go up. They have to. These are going up easily to $300, even $350, guaranteed. I think these will take a little bit longer than the Shattered Backboard 3.0s to go up in price. I think they made more pairs of these than the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, but they're still going up. They're still gonna go up. This is an undervalued Air Jordan 1. Black toe color blocking until you get to the back, which I know a lot of people are not feeling the white. If this was black back here, they would be at like $300 right now. Any orange Jordan 1, man, they're crazy in price. These are skyrocketing, guys. They're going to skyrocket. If you have pairs, do not sell them. Hold on to the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. Do not sell the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. This is a clean sneaker. Colorway is there. There's a lot of things that people like on this Jordan 1 that we want. You know, we have the Nike Air, we have the orange, we want orange Jordan 1s, right? Look at all the Shattered Backboard Jordan 1s. Even the Starfish lows are gonna skyrocket. These are just guaranteed to do well in the upcoming future. Quality is nice. They did a good job with the colorway. They do come with some extra laces. They're guaranteed to skyrocket. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange down below in the comments. Are they a cop? Are they a drop for you? I think they're very clean. Not really a must for my personal collection, but I definitely think these are a solid, great investment, to be honest with you. At $200 on StockX and GOAT right now, guys, go pick these up. Go pick up the Electro Orange. Hold your grade school pairs as well, because grade school is gonna go up as well. Grade school is very undervalued, less than $200. Go pick up some Electro Orange Air Jordan 1s. Hold them, hold them, hold them. Next year, they're going up. They're gonna be worth about $300, if not a little bit more. Now, I believe all sizes of this sneaker will see $300, $350. I do believe men's bigger sizes are where it's at and will go up faster. 10, 11, 12, 13. Those sizes will go up faster. 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. Those will go up in price faster than the 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5. Now, I believe this sneaker is sitting at $200 for a few reasons. First of all, people want what they want, and they want the shattered backboard colorway, but we're not going to get it again, guys. That Jordan Brand already gave it to us twice. 1.0, 2.0, and then the 3.0 with the Starfish. They changed up the name to Starfish. Now they changed up the name to Electro Orange. We're not going to get a shattered backboard again for quite some time. So they're playing with us. That's why I think people are not really crazy about this and they're sleeping on this sneaker. They want what they want. They have to go up because of the color blocking along with the orange. These are going up in price. Go cop bigger sizes in the Electro Orange Air Jordan 1. All sizes are profitable, will go up in price. Bigger sizes will go up faster. Go cop. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. Let me know if you guys are going to invest in this sneaker. Let me know what sneaker investment you're making next down below in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys enter in the Union 4 giveaway. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your size in Union 4s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out. More family, I love you guys. Thank you guys for still watching towards the end of the video. If you're still here at the end of the video, let me know, bro, down below in the comments that you're watching the end of the video. I want to let you guys know real quick that this weekend I am moving. I'm moving out, so I'm getting my own place with my girl. I cannot wait. Big things coming. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. The whole channel is going to take a whole shift. I'm going to the top. I cannot wait. I just wanted to let you guys know that very soon here on the channel, you'll see some big changes. So I cannot wait. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.